I'm just coming home from work now, and you probably think that all my income comes from my job, but I think you'd be surprised to see how much of that actually comes from YouTube. So let's go upstairs and talk about it. So I've actually been getting paid from YouTube for years now. When I was younger, and even now when I tell people that I get paid and I make money from my YouTube videos, they're always very surprised. This was especially surprising years ago, back before YouTube was quite as big and everyone kind of knew YouTubers and a valid career choice for some people. Now, I was never making close to enough money to ever have a career, as you'll see, but it has been a nice form of passive income for me. So today, to show you this, the two websites I'm going to be using is just YouTube Studio through YouTube, and then Google AdSense is how it all is actually paid out and things like that. But Google AdSense itself is really just a terrible website. It's not accurate at all. It's very delayed, and simply I just never look at it. So if you don't have a YouTube channel yourself and you don't really have any experience with it, YouTube Studio just allows you to edit your videos, look at your analytics, things like that. But I really only use it to look at my earnings. So what you can see on this page is just the last 28 days, how my account has performed monetarily. And so, as you can see here, 18.7 thousand views, 44,000 minutes, 36 subscribers, $51 of revenue. It's not a very good month. I see everything is going down, which is not ideal. But anyway, that's the number you guys probably really care about, and that is $51.98. Now, I know this number doesn't seem very big at all. Obviously, it's not. You could work a couple hours and make that. But it is big to me just because it is 100% passive income. From what you can see here, as I scroll down, my top videos, the top two videos, aka the videos I make 75% of my money from, if not more, are videos I made over 3 years ago. You can see this video is very successful. It gets about 1,000 views a day. If I pull it up here, you can see it was edited quite a while ago, and you can get a sneak peek of what I look like. Yikes. Not that I look any better now, but but as you can see from here, it has a lot of views. 856,000 views, 7,000 likes, and yes, I like my own videos. This video really has performed better than all my other videos. It's really the main bulk of where I get most of my views. It is still a very popular video, and it still, as you saw, gets thousands of views a month. So just kind of showing you, I make about $1 a day from this video alone, which is pretty substantial since you consider I made this video 3 years ago for fun. $1 a day, and most likely it's going to continue making $1 a day for as long as YouTube is around. Simply because it is one of the first videos that comes up. It's always going to be searched on YouTube. So it's very convenient for me that I happen to make this video and happen to get in the YouTube algorithm where it kind of just comes up repeatedly and makes a lot of money for me. So I know $50 a month is not that much, but if we just look at what I made all of 2018, I made $534. So that is a substantial amount of money. $50 a month in your head isn't that much. But when you get $530 in your bank account each year for pretty much not doing anything, it's very nice. And as you can see from this chart, this is my entire lifetime on YouTube. My earnings have really always been very consistent since I started monetizing my videos. If anything, it has been starting to increase a little bit more, just because I'm a little bit more active. But really, since August of 2014, I've pretty much made the same amount of money every single day. So for me, it's too bad. My RPM, which is the amount of money I make per 1,000 views, is very low. You can see it on Google AdSense. So if you see here, my page RPM is 1.87, which compared to everyone else and all the other videos I've seen of people showing how much money they make on YouTube, that's probably the lowest. Some people make, I think the average is around $4 and then all the way up to $7 to $10. But the problem for me is some of my content, people just don't stick around for the entire video, which I don't blame you. I like to talk. That just results in them deciding to give me less money per view simply because people won't be sticking around as long to watch all the ads. And this is the kind of thing that does change. As you can see, it's gone down 1 cent in the last 28 days, which is not that big, but as soon as I get active again and I start making more videos and content that people stick around for, it's gonna go up. So another big number that you need to look at is, for my lifetime, I have made over $2,000 on YouTube. That's pretty substantial. Touching on what I was talking about earlier with the RPM, I just hit 2 million views on YouTube. So for people who have a higher RPM, they'd be making a lot more money. If they were getting $4 per thousand, they would be at $8,000 right now, and clearly I'm at 2,000, so I'm slacking there. But like I said, that's something that can change and something I hope will change soon. This just really allows you to see it has always been very constant and steady, other than this one day. I don't know what the heck happened that day that I made $9, but my growth on YouTube has been fairly consistent. I have taken breaks. You can see here, these are my uploads. I have taken breaks during kind of the school years, but I plan on kind of just always having my YouTube around, just simply because the $1 a day or whatever it is, $2 a day, it does add up, and it's just nice passive income. So one last thing to touch on, although my views and income hasn't necessarily increased over the last couple years to show, I do believe that moving forward it is going to be increasing, simply because last year alone in 2018, you can see I made $534. This year in 2019, I have already made $365, and it's really hard to tell here, but it is slightly increasing, and I plan on just pumping out more content. And as you can see, my subscribers actually have gone up a lot this year. It's gone up 23% alone from last year, which is impressive because it's only August. So that's pretty much it, guys. I know it's not that exciting. I'm not making six figures by any means off my YouTube channel, but it is making me money nonetheless, and I'm just trying to have as many sources of income moving forward in my life as possible. And simply, this is one that not many people have, so I felt like showing it to you. And I know these videos are popular usually on YouTube, simply because people with millions of subscribers, all their fans want to know how much they make. So this is kind of just a different perspective. If you want to donate to me, you know, my Venmo's on the screen now, but I'm okay. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.